It gives me great pleasure to welcome architect Yvonne Farrell of Grafton Architects, panelists, architecture students, and other guests who are logged in today. This webinar focuses the work of Pritzker winner 2020 Grafton Architects Dublin, headed by the duo of Shelley McNamara and Yvonne Farrell. Yvonne has kindly consented to be with us today. The panelists for this webinar are planner John Healy from Dublin, architect Mohammad Arif Changezi, chairman of PCADP, and myself as the moderator. I express my thanks to PCADP for providing a Zoom access and in informing the members of this seminar. I would like further to state that more than 75% of architecture students at Sardanust are females, for which the principles of Grafton Architects will serve as a role model to be emulated. It will indeed encourage them. We would also like to use this occasion as a stepping stone for further interaction, if possible, or with University in Dublin. Brief introductions are as follows. Planner John Healy. John was born in Dublin, Ireland. After graduating from University College Dublin, UCD, he completed an MSc in Town and Country Planning in UWest, Cardiff, Wales in 1975. While working as a town planner in Cardiff City, John was part of a team that secured Cardiff as the first industrial improvement area in Wales. He joined the Industrial Development Authority of Ireland, Dublin in 1980. A highlight was persuading new data processing and software operations to locate in Ireland. A move into industry in 1989 saw John promoting software and CRM across Europe and into French West Africa, which enabled him to travel widely. John has excellent research skills, has undertaken extensive historical studies focused on his grandfather's role in the War of Irish Independence and afterwards in industry. He lives in Dublin with his wife. He also has two lovely grandchildren. His mother and his family members give considerably to worthy causes. His mother managed a home for battered women in Dublin, which I visited with him. It left a lasting impact on me. Our relationship goes back over 45 years. Architect Mohammad Arif Changezi is the present chairman of Pakistan Council of Architects and Town Planners, PCADP, and president of the Institute of Architects, Pakistan IAP. And currently, he's also remained as chairman IAP Karachi chapter and honorary secretary IAP. He's serving in SPARC Pakistan, largest engineering architecture consultancy firm, as vice president and heading its architecture and planning division. He has over 30 years of experience in project management, architecture design of national and international projects, such as housing schemes, office buildings, hospitals, educational building, residential sports complex. Some of his notable projects are the 550-bed surgical complex, Karachi, the NS headquarter building, Islamabad, BUTIMS campus at Quetta, 120-bed hospital at Comoros. They're some of his projects. Now coming to Yvonne Farrell, our main guest and presenter. She's with us today, Yvonne Farrell. Shelley McNamara and Yvonne Farrell co-founded Grafton Architects in 1978. And I think it's named after a street in Dublin, which John took me to see. Having graduated from University College Dublin in 1974, they're fellows of the RIAI International Honorary Fellows of RIBA and elected members of OSDONA, the eminent Irish art organization. The teaching has been a very important part of the two architects' career. Teaching at the School of Architecture at University College Dublin from 1976 to 2002, they were appointed adjunct professor at UCD in 2015. They were visiting professors at EPFL, Lausanne in 2010 to 2011. They held the Ken Zutangi Chair at GST Harvard in 2010 and the Louis Kahn Chair at Yale in autumn of 2011. Currently, they're professors at Accademia di Architettura, Mendrisio, Switzerland. Recently, in 2018, Yvonne Farrell and Shelley McNamara were the curators of the Venice Architecture Biennale. Their manifesto, Free Space, was the title of the Biennale. I just like to quote, if I have permission from Yvonne, about free space. Free space describes, it is their quote from them, free space describes the generosity of spirit and the sense of humanity at the core of architecture's agenda, focusing on the quality of the space itself, provides opportunity to emphasize nature's free gifts of light, sunlight, and moonlight, air, gravity, materials, natural and man-made resources. Free space encompasses freedom to imagine, The free space of time and memory, binding past, present, and future together, building an inherited cultural layers, weaving the archaic with the contemporary. So I felt that I had to include this in it, because for me, this is the most important aspect of their work. Grafton architects have participated in numerous exhibitions, including the Sensing Spaces exhibition in 2014 in the Royal Academy in London, the pavilion for the 2014 century of the city of Barcelona, the UGHA Wall, installation in 2015 in the Victoria and Albert Museum, London. The practice has won numerous awards for their work. In 2016, Grafton Architects was honored by being awarded the inaugural RIBA International Prize for the Universidad de Ingeniería y Tecnología, UTEC, in Lima, Peru. In 2019, Ewan Farrell and Shelley McNamara were awarded honorary degrees from NUI Galway and from Trinity College, Dublin. Yvonne and Shelley were commended for their contribution to Irish society. In 2019, the Royal Institute of Architects of Ireland, RIAI, awarded the RIAI James Gandon Medal for Lifetime Achievement in Architecture to Ewan Farrell and Shelley McNamara. The Gandon Medal is the highest personal award given to an architect in Ireland. The practice was presented with the 2020 RIBA Royal Gold Medal in London. The Royal Gold Medal is given to a person or group of persons who have had a significant influence either directly or indirectly on the advancement of architecture. And Shelley and Yvonne have been selected as 2020 Pulitzer Prize laureates, the award that is known internationally as architecture's highest honor. So this is a very very impressive bio of the two principals of Grafton Architects. Now I go over to John for his views and comments. We'll be taking questions which will be forwarded to us. We hope to get a response from students in the audience. I will ask two leading questions to start the question answer dialogue session to start it going. And Zainab will forward these questions to me. Over to John now for his views and comments. John, please.
Thank you, Sikander. Hello, everybody. And thank you again, Sikander and Mr. Changezi, so much for hosting this really wonderful occasion. And a huge thanks to Yvonne Farrell for agreeing to present her lecture today. I thought it might help if I explained how it came about. As Sikander has mentioned, he and I became great friends during our postgrad education in Cardiff, Wales, in the mid-70s. We lost touch after that, but luckily reconnected late last year. When I learned that Sikander was principal of SADA, I thought it would be fantastic if we could put SADA together with Yvonne Farrell, who had recently won the Pritzker Prize. Now, just to explain, my sister is married to Yvonne's brother, so our friendship also goes back a long way. Furthermore, I had introduced Sikander to Yvonne during our time in Cardiff, thus the three-way connection. I was not surprised when Yvonne immediately agreed to my suggestion that she present this lecture today. It is so typical of Yvonne that she would, as she has always done, share her expertise and experience with young students. Back in the 1970s, planning over here was all about urban motorways and redevelopment, out-of-town shopping, relocating public housing to the outer parts of the urban fringe. And in Pakistan, we were rolling out Doxiadis's master plan for Islamabad. And in those days, computing was almost non-existent. Now, much has changed since then. In Ireland, currently, we're talking about inner city high-rise development, cycleways, more public transport, a 15-minute city, and reimagining rural living, given the potential for remote virtual working. Although this new digital age has enhanced our capacity to connect globally and design great architecture, everything surely must be focused on the major issues of environment and climate change. These issues and this awful COVID-19 pandemic demonstrate very clearly how we are all so interconnected and interdependent across this small globe. Ireland has had many connections with Pakistan. I'm thinking of many major engineering projects in the energy sector over many years. But perhaps it's time now for more architectural connections. I'm thrilled that it was our education back then that brought us three together, and our friendship that has allowed us all to connect today across the globe. Hopefully you young students can enjoy and learn from Yvonne's experience and expertise and be inspired to design great buildings and infrastructure and build numerous connections and friendships among the next generation of architects and town planners in Ireland and Pakistan. Thank you. And I'll hand over to Yvonne now.